Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Today, we're focusing on a critical gateway to the Asian market, Singapore, and its Health Sciences Authority, or HSA. While Singapore is a top-tier market, its regulatory nuances can create significant hurdles, starting with the very first step, product classification. The HSA system is based on globally recognized principles, but has its own unique interpretations that often catch foreign manufacturers by surprise. The system classifies devices into 4 risk categories: Class A for the lowest risk, and B, C, and D for progressively higher risks. A crucial rule to understand is that if a device can fall under multiple classification rules, it is automatically assigned the highest applicable risk class. This single principle is a primary source of market entry delays. The classification hinges entirely on your product's intended purpose, a statement that the HSA scrutinizes with extreme detail. Let's consider a real-world example. A European company developed an innovative software as a medical device, or SAMD, that uses an AI algorithm to analyze patient data and provide a risk score for a specific cardiac condition. In the EU, under MDR, it was classified as a Class 2A device. The company assumed a similar medium-risk Class C registration in Singapore. However, during the HSA's review, they focused on the claim that the software provides a direct risk score that actively informs clinical decisions. Because of this direct diagnostic support for a critical condition, the HSA applied a rule that elevated the product to Class D, the highest risk category. This reclassification was a disaster for the company's launch plan. A Class D submission requires significantly more validation, including local clinical data, which they hadn't prepared. Their projected 6-month registration timeline ballooned to nearly 2 years, and the costs multiplied. This is a classic pitfall where a subtle difference in regulatory interpretation leads to a major strategic setback. This is precisely where expert guidance becomes invaluable. A specialized consultant like Chen-Global would have identified this risk during the initial strategy phase. By leveraging their local expertise and AI-powered tools to analyze HSA precedents for similar SAMD products, they can help refine the intended purpose statement. The goal is to articulate the device's function with precision, aligning it with the HSA's expectations from the start, potentially avoiding an unnecessary high-risk classification. Chen-Global's approach transforms this process. By developing a robust technical dossier for Singapore, we also lay the groundwork for other jurisdictions. This single, well-executed process can be leveraged to access multiple markets across the Asia-Pacific region, saving time and resources. Understanding the local regulatory landscape isn't just about compliance. It's about strategic market access. Getting the classification right in Singapore is the critical first step to success in the region. If you are navigating these complex regulatory pathways, please feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at https:/pureglobal.com.